This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started. Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef John, and today I'm going to be doing a treat for the kids. We're going to be making smoked pumpkin deviled eggs. That's right. Just when you thought the deviled egg couldn't get any crazier, we're going to turn it into a pumpkin. So I have these eggs boiled to perfection. We're going to go out to the smoke box on the RT700. We're going to put them on the smoke box. I have that RT700 set to ultra low, 180 degrees. We're going to let them sit for about 30 minutes to really absorb all of that beautiful Kingsford signature pellets with that bold, sweet, balanced flavor. All right, let's head on out to the grill. All right, holiday family, our smoked eggs have come off the RT700. We had them on the smoke box. I had the grill set to ultra low, 180 degrees, and you could see those Kingsford signature pellets really did a great job on these eggs. They have this like nice yellow mahogany color. I like it. All right, so now that we have our eggs halved, we're gonna go ahead and separate the whites from the yolk. It's really simple. We're just gonna take a little spoon, we're just gonna pull them straight out. Right? But this is a great recipe to do with the kids. And guys, make some memories with the kids. I highly encourage you guys to get the young ones involved because you never know what you're going to be inspiring. Some of my fondest and earliest memories are of my mom teaching me how to cook. And you never know, you may be inspiring your son or daughter to become the next barbecue dad or master chef or even old Chef John. So now we have all of our yolks and our whites separated. We're going to go ahead and start to add the rest of our ingredients. First, we're going to go ahead and break up all these yolks. They will be much easier to mix if you start to break them up now. A little chef tip. Now to this, we're going to add a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of mayonnaise, a little Dijon mustard, and last but not least, some of that delicious Coleman's freaking green. Okay, excellent. So now is the exciting part. Now is really where the rubber meets the road when it comes to these smoked pumpkin deviled eggs. So we're gonna go ahead and mix up our yolk mixture. We're really just trying to bust up all of the yolks. Make sure all that mayonnaise is well incorporated. And this is what you're left with. It's got a nice little pumpkin-y color to it, right? Okay, I have a handy dandy zip top bag. So if you have a pastry bag, that would totally work, totally acceptable. But if you don't, I'm gonna show you all a quick and easy alternative. Right, so we're just gonna curl the bag down, and now we're just gonna fill it up. Now we're gonna cut just a little tiny tab off the end. The smaller the better, because you can always cut a little more off if you need it. You can't put any more back on. All right, when I'm filling these up too, I'm not filling them up all the way. I want to make sure that I have enough of this delicious mixture to go around. All right, now comes the pièce de résistance, as they say. So the molds that I have, right, what we're gonna do is, which is just a paper plate, as you can see, and I cut a hole out about the size of the egg yolk. Right? So that I can keep the paprika on the yolk and not get any on the white. That's what we're going for. And just do them one at a time. Take your time. This is why it'd be fun to do it with the kids. Get them involved in the process. All right, to really bring it home, what we're going to do is we're going to take some delicious chives. Right? Now, we're going to take these and just place them, these little chives right at the top. These smoked pumpkin deviled eggs could not taste any better. Those Kingsford Pellets, the signature blend pellets, did a phenomenal job of not only putting a delicious color onto our eggs, but also giving it that delicious flavor that we've come to know and expect from the Kingsford brand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel for awesome content like this and so much more. I'm Chef John, wishing all of you guys from everyone here at recteq happy holidays. We'll see you at the recteq. Jody, I got your eggs.